Welcome to today's meditation to make your specific person desperately miss you. This meditation will make your specific person realize that you are the only one for them. Find a comfortable place away from all distractions. Now allow your eyes to gently close. Take a deep inhale, and as you exhale, allow your muscles to relax. And allow any tension or limiting beliefs to simply disappear. I want you to imagine that you are surrounded within a beautiful white light. And the more you focus on this light, the brighter it gets. This light completely calms you. It feels safe. It feels secure. It feels like bliss and happiness. It feels like pure love. And you realize that not only is it surrounding you, but it flows through you and it is you. And you feel yourself match the vibration of this pure, infinite love light. It feels so beautiful that you can't help but smile because you realize that its light of love stretches as far as you can see. It is all you can see. It feels so peaceful and beautiful. And within this light, you notice as you are gazing forward, a familiar energy starts to appear in front of you. And the more you focus, the more you realize that this is your specific person. They look so relaxed and so peaceful. You can tell that they are feeling this love light just as intensely as you are. You move closer and closer to them. And the closer you get, the more you feel their energy and their presence. You keep moving forward until you are right beside them. You are so close, you can smell them. Now that you are right in front of them, notice all the details that make them them. Look at their face, their eyes, their skin, their hair. Get so close to them that you can feel their warmth. You can feel their energy so close to you. And they begin to stare deep into your eyes. They say to you, I miss you. I really miss you. When you are not right in front of me, you are all I think about. I miss you so much. You are the only one for me. Now imagine what else do they say to you. Notice how they are staring at you. Notice how big their smile is when they stare at you. They are thinking right now about how much they miss you. It is done. Now give them a gentle kiss and slowly begin to walk back, leaving them there. And when you feel ready, gently open your eyes and come back here. They miss you right now. To affirm this meditation, in the comments below, write, they are missing me right now.